So, example 4.2. So, the same example dun sa previous na example natin sa example 4.1. Pero dito, we're going to determine the factored load that must be carried by our beam. So, ito yung procedure. So, first, we're going to calculate muna yung self-weight ng beam. So, first, determine natin yung unit weight ng ating concrete. So, since given na yung density, so we just multiply it by the gravity na lang. So, 2,400 kilograms per cubic meter na given na density ng ating concrete, we multiply it by 9.81 meter per second squared. Then yung conversion factor natin na sa isang kilonewton, meron tayong 1,000 newton. So the calculated value here for the unit weight of our concrete is 23.544 kilonewton per cubic meter. After that, we're going to multiply the unit weight of the concrete by the gross sectional area ng ating concrete, ng ating beam. So 23.544 kilonewton per cubic meter. So we multiply it by 300 millimeters by 500 millimeters. So as you can see here, meron tayong inconsistency, di ba, sa unit. Kasi yung unit natin dito sa unit weight is naka-kilonewton per cubic meter siya. So in short, dapat itong mga millimeters dito, naka-millimeters na mga dimensions, we have to convert it to meters. Okay, so 23.544 times 0.3 times 0.5, na be able to calculate yung self-weight ng inyong beam in kilonewton per meter na 3.5316. After calculating for the self-weight ng inyong beam, we have to add it doon sa given ng superimposed dead load na 8. Then you multiply it by 1.2 plus 1.6 times yung superimposed na live load na 15. So yung calculated natin dito na factored load na i-carry ng beam ninyo for your structural design is 37.8379 kilonewton per meter.